Hi there, Hannah here with Delta Faucet. Today we're going to walk through how to install a Delta shower head. This installation will work for most standard Delta shower heads. This product adds extra functionality without requiring any changes to your plumbing. And the best part is that this upgrade is both quick and straightforward. Let's collect the tools that you may need to install this shower head. You may need an adjustable wrench and also a towel for some light water cleanup. All right, let's get started. To remove your old shower head, you're gonna turn it counterclockwise by this ball joint back here. Now, I can unscrew mine with just my hand, but if you need to, you can use a wrench. And when you do that, you wanna make sure that you're hanging on to the shower arm back here so that it also doesn't unscrew from the wall. You just wanna unscrew your shower head. Now, when you take this off, there could be some water that comes out. There also may be some thread tape here on the threads of the shower arm. If there is, you wanna go ahead and clean that off, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. I have our new shower head here, and the first thing you wanna check is to make sure that this gasket is seated in the ball joint. Mine came pre-installed, but if yours didn't, or yours looks crooked, or like it might be falling out, you can just apply some pressure and make sure that it's seated properly in place. All right, now we're going to install the shower head onto our shower arm by just lining up the ball joint with our threads on the shower arm. All right, we just wanna make it hand tight. We don't wanna over tighten it and crush that gasket in there. All right, now I always like to make sure that this handle here is oriented down. That's how you change the spray settings, so you wanna make sure that it's easily reachable. All right, the last step is to turn on your water and check for leaks at your connection. All right, that wraps up our install. I hope it went well for you. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to the Delta Faucet customer service team. They're more than happy to help.